So I also bought a new steering wheel and shoo, looks very good. Look at this Vertex steering wheel. You probably think, oh, it's a real one. No, it's not. Even comes with a horn. Also got a Vertex logo back here. Otherwise, it looks very nice. I'm happy with it. It's really weird to have a steering wheel without a quick release, because it still feels like so far away for some reason, compared to mine with a quick release. I think I will put a quick release in the future for sure, so that it will be a bit closer to me. It doesn't fit. You have to fit it, the nut is in the way.
Oh.
It doesn't fit, unfortunately. Feels very nice. Holy shit. Steering wheel's not. Is it in the center?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah.
I mean, like if you keep looking at the top and if you steer, look, the steering wheel goes up. I don't know if it's normal like that, but it feels nice. Maybe later we're gonna buy a quick release, so it's gonna be also closer up to me. Because right now it feels a bit too far, to be honest. Like I need to get closer compared to the original. Look like this. Wait, how am I supposed to compare it? Like so? Yeah, there's not a big difference, right?
No, I don't. No, not really.
Yeah. I'm gonna order a quick release from AliExpress too. No, this whole build is gonna be from AliExpress.
AliExpress drift build.
Besides the coilovers, we're gonna order a new BC coilover soon. And the next plan will be turbo kitting it. Putting turbo kit on it. Body kit. Body kit is not gonna be from AliExpress, turbo kit also not, so.
Self-made body kit?
Nah, bro. That's I already have someone that wants to sell his Vertex body kit, so. For a bit cheap.
Paint the car a different color. Then this shitty ass grey. Silver grey.
Yeah, maybe wrap it in different colors.
Or wrap it. But you can self-spray paint it or something. Like you can learn a lot of stuff, you know?
Yeah, I know, but how do you want to paint the car yourself? With a rattle can? It's gonna look like shit.
No, like...
And an actual gun.
Yeah, you can buy one.
Yeah,
the air compressor. Then you need some paint. You need to put paint in it.
Have you killed the pride to do that? Not this week, another time.
No, not this week.
But overall, the little backstory of this car. So we bought this car like 2-3 years ago, and it got rear-ended here. So this whole rear part got rear-ended. The bumper was fucked. The trunk was damaged. The rear lights too. These are actually the old lights that were in the crash. So the lens broke. So I replaced it with the plexiglass. But overall, we bought this car 3 years ago, and we bought it for 1.2k. Okay. The coilovers were 100 euro.
The wheels?
Okay, yeah, I also bought new wheels, so the wheels were 300. This lip spoiler came off my daily Lexus. It was free. Or no, actually the spoiler came with this car, but we took it off and put it on my daily, and now it's back. And now it's back on this car again. And I also got BC coilovers when we bought this car, and now it's under my daily. But I'm planning to buy new BC coilovers and to put it under my daily, and the old BC is back here for the drift car. So for now, the total cost is 1.5k. We got the welded diff. My neighbor welded it for free. And oh yeah, the JZX100 upper control arms were 150 euro. These from the extended tie rods, GS300 tie rods from Autodoc were 20 bucks, I think, both. And I also bought one new lower ball joint because this one doesn't fit, also from Autodoc, 30 bucks. And yeah, that's about it what we spent for on it now. Yeah, and the new steering wheel and hub were together 70 bucks from AliExpress. So now we're gonna strip it too. We were starting to strip it. Don't look at the mess. We're just stripping it. Oh yeah, the angle kit. I also bought it from AliExpress for 30 bucks. So not that bad. A cheap drift car for under 2k. If you don't count the wheels, it will be like what, 1.5k, maybe less without the wheels.
Yeah.
The coilovers were 100. Bought it off from Facebook, but they're also Max Speeding rod coilovers, so they're also from AliExpress. So if you buy like literally BC coilovers, they're way better, of course. And they cost around 1k new. That's the best option you can go for if you want to go drifting. Your drift car needs to be really stiff, because then you don't have much body roll. So that's about it. That's about the backstory of the car. And future plans with it, yeah, like I said, body kit, turbo kit, and just keep drifting.
Right.
Okay guys, I actually lied about the full build cost of the drift Lexus. I forgot I ordered a few more parts from Poland, and it was like 300 bucks. It's still cheaper if I would have bought it here in the Netherlands. Gonna unbox it right now. So in this box we have the harness bar. It goes between the back seats. Behind the seat, like so. Somewhere like this. And then we also have the strut tower, the front and back strut tower. So this one goes on top, like so. And the other one goes in the back. And it will just stabilize the car and the body way more. Look at the swimming pool. I also got a free swimming pool in the Lexus. So if you want to come over to our swimming pool in the Lexus, feel free to come. Okay, so this is how our cheap drift built drift car looks like after one session of drifting. I also bought some new wheels after the drift event. They're like 10J wide, 17 inch, which is insane how thick they are. Look at that. As you can see, there's literally one brake button. And now I'm going to also fix the rust. The car worked very well. I didn't expect it at all. Very surprised. amount of rust there's here is insane. What the fuck? Look at this. This is just crazy. Okay, I got the whole threshold cut out. Now it's time to measure the gap from here to here, and then we will be cutting it from this threshold here, somewhere here, and then put it back on the car. And then we're gonna use JB weld to glue it basically back in, or JB weld it. Okay, we got this cut out, and now the tricky part is to align it here. Don't have a gap in between here, so I just need to find out how to do that. So this is what I got for now, and it fits almost. Just need some small adjustments, and then I think I can glue it in. The only problem is that there's still a big gap in here. There's still a big gap here. I don't know how I'm gonna fix that. And also I also need to bend this metal more with to the shape of the body. So yeah. And we got a check engine light while drifting, and it's from the lambda sensor. So I got a new lambda sensor for this car, so no more check engine light. Okay, so for the angle kit for the Lexus IS200, I just took out the whole arm because this bolt here doesn't want to get out. He's tried everything, nothing worked, didn't want to get out. This one got out, as you can see there's a bit of a gap, but this one just didn't want to come out, so I just took out the whole arm. A 10-minute job literally takes a 1-day job, or maybe even more, which is super annoying. Okay, so on this side the spindle did come loose. I'm gonna cut this part off and install it with the angle kit. So we went to the hardware store and got new bolts, and we also got stronger bolts for the angle kit. As you can see, this is 10.9, and the angle kit that came with is 4.8, which is way weaker, and these might break up. The IS200 outer tires are in, and now it's time to install the angle adapters. Okay, so we had to fabricate these inner bushes ourselves because the AliExpress angle kit didn't come with it. Okay, the angle kit is finally installed. Not fully, still need to install the spindle on it. Looks very nice. Okay, so on one side we are done with the angle kit and the wheel is on. We even took out the inner plastic wheel well because it was rubbing against it. The car has a lot of camber on the front. But now we just need to do the other side, and then we will check how much steering angle we have, and we're gonna compare it to my daily Lexus. Okay, the angle kit is finally installed on the other side. So just need to put on the brake caliper, and then we can finally test the angle kit, and I'm so excited to test it after 2 weeks of trying to get ball joints and trying to get it installed. So it took me 2 weeks just because I didn't have a ball joint.